already know by the title, bro. You already know by the title, bro. You already know by the title. Yo, brother. It's finally happened, bro. It's finally happened. Yo, I sacrificed my life span on this, bro. If I did start, I buy this for my YouTube channel and I'm gonna grind the hell out of this, because this was it. As far as financial decision, this was a bad one, but oh shit. And these are more wires, guys. You will understand sooner why I have these wires. Now coming to the big box, bro. The big fucking box, you feel me? Guess what's in here, bro? I mean, you already know by the title, bro. You already know by the title, bro. You already know by the title. A GTX 1650, bro. And I won't be eating food for 3 months if I don't share this video, bro. I won't eating food for 3 months if I really don't like work so hard this month by December, because I thought December pays more. Let me get a graphics card with a loan, with my money loan. And give me a sec, I'm opening this, bro. Bro, this means the world to me, gang. Like, yo, my first ever graphics card. Yo, editor effort, please put the and some like glowing stuff when I open this. Don't mind the spoon. I was using the spoon to actually open like everything. And tell me what you think about the arm. You feel me? We've been going 30 days straight, my nigga. Let's open the layers. Yo, look at the arm though. Coming. It's a low profile GTS 1650, bro. This is smaller than I thought. That was
also subscribe, guys. Let's reach 10k before the end of the year, please.
But what the fuck, bro? Oh my god, bro. My first ever graphics card. My first graphics card, bro. Hopefully this shit works, bro. So this is one of the wires, guys. As you can see, this is why I bought this, because my power supply doesn't have a 6-pin adapter. So as far as this power supply is a 24-pin and my PC uses a 8-pin, so I need to find a 24 to 8-pin thing to actually make. It's a 450 watt power supply. So guys, so far I can't get a screwdriver. I have to remove these bolts. Yo, turns out I'm just stupid. This didn't even need like a screwdriver. Like, it fits perfectly and there's some space even if I got a bigger one. So if I'm gonna close this, I need to adjust on this and close it. Oh my god, that shit scared me a bit. Then we're gonna put this 6-pin. I don't know if you can even see this. So it's a mess right now. We're gonna have the first start with this. We can see. I wanna see if the graphics card. Do you see the fan right there? Oh, I forgot to plug in. Bro, how do you forget to plug that? Bro, I forgot to plug the
Also, join the membership for as low as 6 rand, guys, so I can actually get up on my feet on the stand.
I forgot to plug it. Oh, the graphics card was also rolling. I forgot to plug the plug for it. You see it? I hear more air now. There's a lot of air coming out of this though. The first stuff's not showing. Why is it not showing? It's not picking up signal. No signal. No VGL from devices. What? Yo guys, long story short, 2 days late and I'm already like moved from Gauteng to actually in Mpumalanga, and now I got my old screen right here, as you can see, and I got my new screen. I finally got the GTX, the PC to actually work on the GPU. Give me a as you can see, it says GeForce 1650, and yeah, bro, we're chilling right now. I'm gonna be live streaming.